Welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at one of the most exciting American sports cars, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Coupe. This car combines aggressive design, powerful performance, and a luxurious high-tech interior. The exterior design of the Corvette Grand Sport Coupe is bold and aerodynamic. Sharp body lines, wide stance, and aggressive LED headlights give this car a powerful road presence. The lightweight body and performance-focused design help improve speed, handling, and stability. Under the hood, the 2026 Corvette Grand Sport delivers incredible performance. This high-performance sports car is designed for speed and precision. With powerful acceleration and advanced suspension technology, it offers an exciting driving experience both on the road and on the track. Step inside the Corvette Grand Sport and you'll find a driver-focused luxury cabin. Premium leather seats, sporty stitching, and high-quality materials create a premium feel. The cockpit design is built to keep the driver fully focused on performance. The Corvette also features a modern digital dashboard, a large infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, and advanced connectivity options keep drivers connected and informed. The steering wheel controls and driver-centric layout make everything easy to access. On the road, the Corvette Grand Sport delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Its powerful engine, precise steering, and balanced chassis make it one of the most thrilling sports cars